Hi, John Lay from Talented Learning to talk to you about what is a learning system sandbox. Well, a sandbox is kind of an informal term that refers to a stage in the learning system buying process where the buyer gets an opportunity to get their hands on the application and do some testing in a non vendor led demo environment. Typically, sandboxes come towards the end of the sales cycle in a traditional buying process, and you conduct it with maybe two or three of the final vendors, or with the free trial LMSs that are available now in the modern era. Sometimes sandboxes and proof of concepts move up towards the beginning of the sale process. Regardless of where you do it, the purpose is the same, and that is to kick the tires. Well, really, a range of the same, from a light touch of just kicking the tires, getting in, making sure it's not vaporware, trying some basic functions and kind of a as you see fit way, to all the way on the other side of the spectrum of having a formal proof of concept with a formal testing team and a project schedule and a project manager and use cases that you're going to test and assignments for all the different types of learners and a way to report back and score and judge the different systems and really everywhere in between. Most organizations do somewhere in between where they request their own area, where they can load up their own users, where they can trial their content, sometimes even integrations, and prove the main points of their use case as just an extra way to make sure they're not making a wrong purchase that they're going to regret for a long time, both organizationally and personally. And so, that in a nutshell is what a learning system sandbox is.